Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday told leaders of various political parties that his government has been continuously trying to resolve the issues raised by protesting farmers through talks, sources said. Addressing floor leaders of various political parties at the customary all party meeting convened by the government for the smooth conduct of the budget session, Modi said the centre's proposal on the three new agriculture laws still stands. Modi said the government still stands by the proposal given to the protesting farmers of suspending the three contentious farm laws for 18 months. The Prime Minister assured that the government is approaching the farmers' issue with an open mind. Hours after former Bengal Minister Rajiv Banerjee quit the Trinamool Congress Party, Union Home Minister Amit Shah called him up and said that he was a fighter. Banerjee has now reached Delhi to meet Amit Shah along with former TMC leaders Vaishali Dalmia, Prabir Ghoshal and Ratin Chakraborty, along with BJP's Mukul Roy and Kailash Vijayvargiya. BJP in charge of West Bengal, Kailash Vijayvargiya, had also spoken to Banerjee, a former forest minister who represented the Domjur assembly seat. Banerjee has already resigned as an MLA. The Apex Court Collegium, in a rare precedent, has withdrawn its recommendation to confirm the permanent status of a Bombay High Court judge, Pushpa Ganediwala, after she delivered two controversial orders on sexual assaults in the past few days. According to sources in the Supreme Court, the decision to not grant permanent status has been based on the possible need for more exposure in such cases. Justice Pushpa Ganediwala's name was recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium on January 20th for confirmation as a permanent judge of the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court. However, two recent orders passed by Justice Ganediwala on sexual assault have caused huge outrage and possibly jeopardized her chances. A day after Serum Institute of India sought the Drugs Controller General of India's approval to conduct a small domestic trial of the Novavax coronavirus vaccine, its Chief Executive Officer Adar Poonawalla on Saturday said that the company is hopeful of launching the vaccine by June this year. The vaccine will be launched under the local brand Covovax. Poonawalla said that Serum Institute of India's partnership with Novavax, a vaccine undergoing trials for effectiveness against the novel coronavirus, has published excellent efficacy results. The United Arab Emirates has adopted amendments that would allow the Gulf state to grant citizenship to investors and other professionals, including scientists, doctors, and their families, the government said on Saturday. The UAE cabinet, local emiri courts and executive councils will nominate these eligible people for the citizenship under clear criteria set for each category, Dubai's ruler and UAE Vice President Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum said in a Twitter post. It was unclear if new passport holders would benefit from the public welfare system. The UAE spends billions of dollars each year on free education, healthcare, housing loans and grants for its estimated 1.4 million citizens. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.